I know I wanted to ask about like how is being a serverless developer similar to maybe being a different kind of developer, but it seems like as a serverless developer, you're not just a generalist, but you're really like you also have a depth of knowledge of how all these systems work and come together. Is that also correct to categorize it that way?
Yeah, absolutely. Depth also helps. I mean, it comes up for sure in the certifications. Just even at the associate level, they expect quite a level of depth in networking for the traditional, like how to hook up security groups, how to specify source IP addresses, and it turns out that stuff is still pretty useful for a bunch of our clients. Even if you have a serverless RDS database, it's good to know how to lock down the security groups so that you can only SSH into it from a particular IP address. So you can list like 3 IP addresses. The 3 developers who are working on that team are the only people in the world who could possibly make an SSH connection into that serverless RDS database. So that's an example where some deep networking can even be useful in a serverless context.
Wow, nice. And that's something that they covered in the exams you're sort of tested on. The exams. Okay.
Yeah, and then for the pro level certifications, I'm preparing for the Solutions Architect Pro. They get really deep into that networking stuff, and I find that every time I spend 10 minutes learning for that stuff, all of a sudden I think, oh, I can use that for a client project, or I can use that because it's all useful.
Wow, very great. And these exams, are these the ones mostly offered by the AWS, these AWS certifications? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going through the AWS certifications. I looked a bit into the Google Cloud, and it's interesting to see all the parallels and how they have stronger differentiation between this is a regional service, this is a global service. That was something that popped out to me when I just started looking at that comparison. But for now, AWS is giving me everything I need.
That's great. That's very good.